I enjoy taking care of patients here and watching their recovery and making sure that they have all good outcomes. Their joy is my joy as far as taking care of folks is concerned, and that's what keeps me working for as long as I have been. A long time ago, when I was 15 years old, and this is probably before there were child labor laws, but I started working in an operating room in Louisville, Kentucky as a surgical orderly. I did that for a few years and then became a surgical technician and did that for a number of years through high school and college. When I came to town, the hospital was small, did not have any high-tech equipment and department level structures that we could do a lot of the things that we are doing now. So to see that growth and the quality of the growth and bringing specialists in that could utilize that growth was very rewarding.
Dr. Segerberg for the last 45 years has been an integral part of the leadership and the direction of the health system. Not only has he been chief of surgery on multiple occasions, he's also been the chief of staff and was on the hospital board for 18 years. So both on a clinical leadership perspective and an administrative leadership perspective, he's been vital to the health system. And he's currently the medical director of our wound care center. I never will forget the first time I actually went into Dr. Segerberg's office when I first became the practice manager of his surgery practice. The first picture you see is him in a leather jacket, long hair, sitting on a motorcycle. And you quickly realize this chief of staff, board member would much rather be on a motorcycle at Daytona Bike Week or the Sturgis Motorcycle Rally. And that's what I really think of when I think of Dr. Segerberg. Since Dr. Segerberg has been in this community for 45 years, his name is synonymous with general surgery. Many, many times people say, I'm going to Dr. Segerberg's practice, and his clinical care throughout the decades has been synonymous with Southeast Georgia Health System and quality care.
I believe it was 1994 when I first started working with Dr. Segerberg. It was, at the time, Dr. Willis Segerberg in Sicily. Dr. Segerberg as a person is absolutely the best. He's funny, he's kind, he's a family man, he's a very proud grandpa and just an excellent overall person. Some of the most memorable times I've really ever had with Dr. Segerberg is if you ever had anything, urgent, within your own family or yourself, Segerberg was always kind of the first one there, the first one you called, and the first one to help you have a resolution to your problem. He's just the gold standard of being a physician and surgeon, and they kind of broke the mold when they gave us Dr. Segerberg.